Yeah.
Coming.
Okay. Now this is the main power rail. Okay.
Okay.
And it's showing 0.8, so it's 100% short. Okay.
Look like it
This is the fuse and this is the ground, and it is 100% short. So it might be not a GPU problem or a CPU MOSFET. That's it. Okay, injecting voltage here. Okay. You can see that this is getting hot. Okay. If this is getting hot, it's not hot enough, so it should be in the other side of the board. It's near the CPU, which is a bad news. Yeah, so you can see, so eventually it looked like somewhere over here. This here is getting hot. Yeah, it looked like one of these cups. Look like one of these cups, man. Yeah, it's the second one. These one of these two. Yeah, yeah, I can feel that it's getting hot. Yeah, it's definitely here. It's not hot enough. Ouch. Okay, so let's remove this cup. Okay. Okay, so it's this cup, man. You see? This cup. So we're going to remove it and see if the short is gone.
Okay, that's nice.
It's this one. Yeah? Give me a marker, so let's turn it on again. Let's see, give me the marker.
Where's the marker?
There it is. Let's mark it.
So hot.
This is not hot. No. I don't know which one it is. I think it's this one. Yeah, okay, shut it down. Let's try it. Let's remove it. Let's remove. That's the one. Let's see if they're still short.
There might be short actually. Подожди, я вижу делаю.
Okay, this one was removed. Let's see now if they're short. Where's the multimeter? The multimeter. Let's see if we still have short here. No short. Ha ha! We hit it. Ha ha ha! Now let's see if this will work. We're going to put it back and we're going to check if that's working. Catch you later, man.